GM, my people, what's good, guys? So today we're going to dive into the OROCHI network. So now, what is the OROCHI network? As you can see here, OROCHI is building the world's first verifiable data infrastructure using advanced cryptographic tools like zero-knowledge proofs, fully homophobic encryption, trusted execution environment to ensure data integrity across blockchains. Okay, so as you can see here, they recently raised $12 million and they're supported by the Ethereum Foundation, BNB Chain grants, and they maintain partnerships with over 80 projects, guys, like Mina Protocol and Nexus Labs, right? We just saw the Nexus testnet tree, and you can see that OROCHI is one of them. Okay, so now here you can see Airdrop campaign and it's still active. I don't know what this means, but here you can see that it started on the 25th of February 2025 and it will end on the 1st of September 2025. Okay, so as you can see here, the reward pool is unlimited ON tokens, and these ON tokens will be converted based on activity. Okay, so how to participate: you sign up and create OND, and I'll show you how to do that now. You have to visit the OROCHI on active site, and then you start running the on prover light node. Okay, so this is it's not a DeFi. This one is different. You're verifying data on their website. You're not running a node. You're verifying data. It's kind of different. Okay, one of these days I'll explain the difference to you guys. Okay, so other ways you can earn is daily check-ins and social tasks. You can enter verification codes from Discord to claim a certain bonus. Okay, you have to connect to socials too to earn bonuses. Then you share your referral links and stuff like that. As you can see here, token distribution, the token is ON, the ON token. Okay, and the total supply is 200 million. Wow, and for a token that has 200 million supply, it has to be really valuable. Okay, then the TGE and listing hasn't been talked about, but September 1st is in Q4. Okay, so we're expecting the TGE in Q4 of 2025. That's the fourth quarter of 2025. So any mechanics towards the distribution and allocations will be shared to us via their socials. So endeavor to follow me so that in case there's any updates, I'll tell you about it. Okay, so community coverage, these are all the people they are partnering with and everything they do. All right, so right now let's hop onto it. Okay, copy my link from the video description and paste on your browser. Now this takes you to the unproven network. Okay, the OROCHI network. This is literally the airdrop site. Okay, so as you can see, you click here, you start to prove your rewards, blah blah blah. But before we start to do anything, first click on sign up via OND. Okay, so it's gonna pop up this page, and then you select to either sign up with GitHub, Google, or create an account manually. Alright, so as you can see, we have successfully signed up and ours is 0.00 ON, okay, because we just joined, right? So next, connect your wallet. Now you soon see this airdrop needs the ONID testnet, as you can see here. So now they need to add it. You have to confirm this so that it adds this testnet and it can be able to run. Okay, click on confirm. Connecting to ONID testnet, and you are good to go. The wallet has been successfully connected to the account. Hola, you're good to go. Okay, so this is your dashboard, literally. Okay, this is the gimmicks and the shenanigans going on as the network is being verified and stuff like that. This is now the amount of ON earned. You see when we start earning, you see yours is still 0, verified proof 0, new proof 0. This is just how things go. Now these are your rewards, your referral program. Now this is where it records the data you're getting. Okay, so these are the network stats and this is the leaderboard. The highest person on the leaderboard has 44,361 points, blah 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 tokens. Okay, so that's a long way, right? All right, so click on prove And as you can see, it's now proving. Okay, it's now proving. So what you just have to do is leave your device like this, be it a smartphone or a PC. You leave your device like this and it's proving automatically. You don't have to do much. Just come every day, activate this, log in, connect your wallet, and leave your device, and you're automatically verifying data on the OROCHI network. Okay, so now if we could stay long enough, you'd see this is where the data adds up. Okay, the new proofs, that's verifying proofs. Okay, so this is where when it's up to 15 proofs here, it counts as it becomes verified. All right, then the further you go, that's the more ON you earning. You understand? So that's all about the OROCHI network. Now I don't really know, many more information will be dispersed via their X account or their Discord servers, and if you don't want to miss out on any information, please follow me on my X, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss, okay, whenever I put a video on this channel. As you can see, we have one proof. Now for it to become verified, it has to be up to 15 proofs. Okay, it has to be up to 15 proofs. I don't think we're gonna wait that much, right? But that's it. Just leave it open, no stress, nothing. Yeah, earning on the OROCHI network. Right, see you guys very soon. Peace.